Mang Kanor, dito ka, tabi tayo, Mang Kanor.
Sir, sama ka, sir. 1, 2, 3, ano? 1, 2, 3. Isa pa, 1, 5.
Nasaan ang mic?
Jersey number 16. Pass by jersey number 8. Yes sir, hindi pumasok. Foul, nanawang foul, jersey number 16. Alright.
Hindi, black.
Vitor. Pass by Ponce, jersey number 16. Yes sir, pass by Ponce, another one by Ponce. Binamba, hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Zay. Nanawang foul. Ponce to Ponce. Yes sir! Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by jersey number 87. Rebound by jersey number 87. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Pass by Estampa. Pass by jersey. Yes sir! 1 point.
Dito.
Victor. Binaba ang bola. Pass by Mendoza. Yes sir, by Mendoza.
Masakit pa ang tuhod niyan.
1-2, 2-1. Estampa. Pass by jersey number 26. Kaibigan, pass by Jay. Good pick by Jay. Yes sir! Triple.
Are, oh.
Kami rin, nakadalawa na. Kami.
Are, batuhin ninyo na rin.
Ano ba? B.
B.
Batuhin nyo. Batuhin mo ng bola.
Yes sir, by ball.
Kuya, yung bola.
Brian. Malapit-lapit na, hindi pa pumasok eh. Minekos na eh.
Lahat sir, nakakadalawa na.
Yes sir. Yes! Hindi pumasok. Good naman by jersey number 16.
Ikaw lang isa.
Binababa ang bola. Naghanap ng kamabasaan. Ponce to Ponce again. Ponce na naman by Ponce. Yes sir, by Ponce. Another one. Ponce na naman. Puro Ponce. Yes sir, hindi pa rin pumasok. Good by jersey number 8. Yes sir, ang galing naman. Ponce na naman. Pass by Ponce.
Kailangan bumawi kayo.
Jay. Dribble by Jay. Binababa ang bola. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Jay, dribble by Jay! Yes, sir! Pasok.
3-1.
3-1. Favor of black jersey. Lose to loss. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Yes, sir! Galing ni Mendoza. Tuloy-tuloy ang shot ni Mendoza. Hanggang sa shot na naman mga. Yes, sir!
Kayo lang siya.
Kaibigan, pass by. Good round by. Yes sir, hindi mo masok. Ponce. Rebound. Binaba ang bola. Ponce. Yes sir, by Ponce. All three. Estampa by Zay. Zay, umikot! Yes, sir! By Zay. 4-1.
Huwag ka masyado sumanggayo.
Right. Jersey number 8. Yes, sir! Napakagaling niya. Nakakain ng sabaw ng sinigang.
Baka ninong ko yan.
Nakas! Nakakain ng sinigang na ulo. Kaibigan. Yes, sir! By kaibigan. Another one by... Dalawang beses na nangyayari yan, ha? Bigo na yan.
3 minutes.
Mainit talaga ang kamay mo.
3 minutes, kids.
3 minutes remaining. minutes remaining time. Ating score, all four. Ating oras, last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Ponce, by Ponce, tumira, Ponce, another by, rebounded, Ponce, hindi pa rin pumasok. Yes, outside the ball, black ball, all four. Ang ating oras, 2 minutes and 21 seconds. JJ, traveling.
Wala yung inawakan ninyo.
Oh, Jesse, number 8. Estampa, pass by. Yes, sir! Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Zay. Pass by Estampa. Pass by. Drop by jersey number 18. Kaibigan, pinabang po. Kaibigan, naghanap na papapasa.
Binibitawan.
Kaibigan, dribble by Kaibigan, another pass by Zay, tinira. Yes sir, hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Ponce, dribble. Alright. Good.
Wala, sinundot ang bula eh.
Kaibigan! Yes sir, hindi pumasok. Kala ko maiipit naman ang bola.
Yan, dali Joseph!
Okay, Estampa.
Labas yan, sagad.
Estampa. Dribble by jersey number 16. Pass by Mendoza. Pumuwi. Pass by Ponce. Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Jay, binaba ang bola. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Tuloy-tuloy sa dribble. Yes sir, sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Pass by Estampa. Yes, hindi pumasok. Ponce to Ponce. Jersey number 6. Pass by. Yes sir, by
Bulok ang plano.
ano? Pumalo sa sariling Kili-kili. Estampa.
13 seconds!
13 seconds. 2 out.
10, 9.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And change score!
Score. 7-4.
Good na yan.
Change score.
Ano to eh, ba't kanina 6 na dapat 7 siya, 8 na dapat to.
Oh, eh wala 7 yun eh. 8 yan, 8.
Kasi diba,
8-4. Okay. Change score na ha.
diba 7 na kanina, eh, kasi wala 7
Mendoza.
na rin.
Mendoza. Pass by Ponce. Ponce to Ponce. Yes. Tulak. Alright. May nakuha foul. Brian. Jersey number 8. Back to jersey number 8. Mendoza to jersey number 8. Kaibigan. Ang bilis. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Kaibigan. Yes sir.
Ay,
Black
naman
ball.
na yung kabila.
Black ball. Alright, 8-4 ang ating score. Ang ating oras, 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Zay ulit.
Takbo agad kayo!
Ponce to Ponce. Ponce, ang bilis. Ponce, yes sir. Rebound din Ponce. Ponce, good fake by Ponce. Umatras pa, hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Estampa. Ang bilis pagka-dribble. Pass by Zay. Yes sir. By Zay. 9-4. Mendoza. Pass by Ponce. Ponce. Ang ganda ng pasa. Yes sir. Shot by Ponce. 9-5. 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Kaibigan. Mark Kaibigan. Oh, pinasa kay Jordan, hindi yung mawawat.
Ay, pagkakaot sa iyo.
Nalit ng talo si Jordan. 9-5. 9-5 ang ating score ay 9-5. Ang ating oras ay 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Umiigot pala yun.
Jersey number 45, Victor! Yes sir! Pumasa sa hangin. Nakatalikod na pinasahan. Yes sir, kaibigan. Mark kaibigan. Mark kaibigan. Yes sir, boy kaibigan. 10-5. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Mendoza. Mendoza to Mendoza. Pass by Ponce. Ponce. Yes sir! Basket by Ponce.
10.
10-6. Favor of Black. 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Yung kanyang sapatos.
J.
Ha?
Yung sa green.
Lloyd! Yes! So, ganda sa ilalim. J. Dribble by J. J to J. J to J. Yes! Goodbye J. Yes sir. Pasok. Basket by J. Z. 11-6. Ponce. Ponce! J. Pass by J. J. Binaba ang ball. J. Tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Pass by Estampa. Estampa! Yes sir! By Estampa. 12-6. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Wow! Nakakain ng sinigang! Yes sir!
Nadalawang ka na! Nadalawang ka na!
Masarap ang nahigop na sabaw nito.
12-7.
Oh, yes, sir. White ball, white ball. Estampa. Oh, Ponce.
3 minutes and
12-8.
56.
3 minutes and 55 seconds.
12-8.
12-8. Estampa. Oh, good rebound by jersey number 8, pass by jersey number 16. Jersey number 16, tinago sa likod ng bola. Good rebound by kaibigan. Kaibigan, binaba ang bola. Kaibigan, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. Kaibigan, pass by. Yes, good shot. Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza by Ponce. Ponce by Ponce. Ponce, yes sir. Basket by Ponce.
Block pa.
12 na, favor of 12. Ponce to Ponce, pasok. Yes sir.
Dito, binablock na yun.
Zay. Nice pick. Alright, ginawang volleyball. White ball. Makador. Ay, malilita ko
Score
kasi.
ay 12-9. Sukat ng kabao.
9-12.
Sukat to ng kabaong.
2:43 ang ating oras.
O, dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang. 10-12. Favor of 12. Favor of Black pa rin. 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Jay. Yes! Pass by Estampa. Lumipat si Estampa. May nakuha ang foul. May nakuha ang foul. Okay, dalawa-dalawang kalamangan ng Black. Alright, 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Yes, sir! Alright. 13-10, favor of Black. Ating oras, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. By Gatorade.
Brought to you by.
Brought to by J.
Pwede mo yung pulutin.
Wow, ang ganda ng pagkakaikot. Umatras. Sobrang atras. 13-10. Yes, sir, by Ponce. Another rebound by Ponce. Ponce, another one. Pass by Mendoza. Ilista na yan. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Mendoza, another one. Ponce. Ilista na yan. Hindi pa rin pumasok.
Bugbog pala ako dito. Bugbog ako dito.
Alright, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Loose ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Last 1 minute.
1 minute. 58 seconds. 53 seconds.
O, takbo agad, bilis!
45 seconds. 40 seconds.
Wala pa.
35 seconds. Estampa. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Pass by Mendoza. Mendoza. Yes, sir.
Napapasipa pa.
11-14. Walang kamabas kupas. 7, 6, 8, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Salang bilang eh.
Okay, scored?
Ala na, tapos na.
Ha? Ano next game? Oh, yung black, may iwan. Napagod sila sa ate. Black team, pahinga muna. Black team, may iwan.
Nako. Nanalo na yung isang natalo.
Kami ba?
Tayo na.
Meron sa. Yung naglarong black, may iwan sa court.